Welcome back to the second part of Imitation Learning series. In this video, we will look at how to record demonstration episodes using teleoperation. Imitation learning allows a robot to learn behaviors by observing human demonstrations. For that, we first need to collect data. isaaclab provides a very convenient way to record these demonstrations in the open HDFI format. Step 1 is to create a folder to store your dataset. Open isaaclab folder and create folder datasets. Next, we will collect demonstration data using a teleoperation device. Replace teleop device with your choice. It can be spacemouse, keyboard, or any other options available. We are choosing keyboard. The script will start isaaclab, load the Franca stacking task, and record 10 demonstrations into an HDFI file. Note that the correct stacking order for the cubes is blue at the bottom, red in the middle, and green on top. Make sure demonstrations follow this order. Keep demonstrations shorter. If you make a mistake during a demo, just press the R key. That will discard the current demo and reset to a fresh start position. You can check the terminal to see the keys required to move forward, backward, left, right, up, down, etc. So, the subtasks here are grasp, stack, grasp to, and stack to. When you record successfully, you will be able to see it in isaaclab window in the GUI or in the terminal. After 10 demonstrations, it will exit. In the next part of the series, we will move on to annotating episodes where we label different subtasks in the demonstrations for training. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Robotics Tips if you are following along with this isaaclab tutorial series. Thank you.